This 2027 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition 343 VBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 38 feet 6 inches in length and features a chestnut interior, sleeps 8, LP detector, spare tire kit, water heater, external shower, slide-out, air conditioning, microwave, smoke detector, TV, refrigerator, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2027 Venture RV SportTrek Touring Edition 343 VBH is 9,410 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.